We'll guide you through how to check your Roblox password on a mobile. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Perhaps you've gone and forgotten it and you want to go and check if you can go and see it before you go and start the reset process. We've got some different ways you can try, so make sure you watch this full video. To start with, go and check the password manager on your device. For example, on an iPhone, there's an app called Passwords in the Utilities folder. You can always go and drag down and go and search for it. We can press search at the top here and go and type in Roblox. I can then go and see my different Roblox accounts here. I found my Roblox account here. I can tap password and it'll be revealed and we can check it and we can use it. Alternatively, what we can try doing is opening up a web browser. It's worth checking your Google account password manager. So press your profile icon in the top right and manage your Google account. Press search at the top and you can go and type in password manager, go and tap on it. And then what we can do is go and search for Roblox here. You need to verify it's you and we can find our account and press the I to reveal the password. And we can then go and check it.